What it means is that we move to the next stage, which is the actual trial of the issues which were laid before the court in these preliminary hearings, and that's where we will prepare to deal with the issues more extensively and more in depth and more detail. So that's basically essential, but it was just a preliminary hurdle, but a very important preliminary hurdle, as the attorney for the respondent, Sabaro, had argued. It's the court's duty in this regard was to act like a constitutional filter, so to speak, to filter out cases that were unmeritorious, were frivolous, vexatious. So clearly it is vindication in some respects, in that clearly the case does have merit, and the issue with respect to whether in fact the contract signed by Mark King and the government and entered into with the government of Belize, whether that in fact is a contract which is on account and for the public service. So that is the issue which would be determined in the trial, and it's a very important issue. The issue hasn't been adjudicated on. There's no judicial precedent to it specifically in Belize. So it is a win situation for not only the applicants but for the country as well, because we'd be able from here on to be able to have some judicial guidance as to how to deal with these issues, and post-election we would know how to approach matters of this nature when they arise again. What will be required of us is that both sides will have to prepare very thoroughly, meticulously arguments, respective arguments, and to do very detailed research in the matter. That was the point the Chief Justice made, that he believes that the matter should as well be more extensively argued, and that would take place in a full trial.